Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we will be making the daiquiri. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. White rum, I have here Bacardi, simple syrup, and a lime. 3 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a martini glass, a juice squeezer, a knife, and a jigger. First step, we're gonna chill our glass. To do this, we need to add ice and water. From here, set the glass aside. Grab your lime, roll it. This is so we can get more juice out of it. Cut the lime in half. Grab your juice squeezer, set the lime like this, and squeeze the lime into the shaker. Grab the other half and squeeze the rest into the shaker. Pour 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup into the shaker. Now grab your bottle of rum. Pour 1½ ounce of rum into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid and shake your drink. Now it's time to remove the ice from the glass here. The last step is to strain the drink into the glass. And there you go, my friends, the daiquiri. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.